Hey everybody, welcome to the Wolf Pit. Remember the sirloins we had the other night? Well, we had a little bit of meat left over, so I'm going to chop it up and we're going to make some steak, hash, and eggs for breakfast. So let's get started. I'm going to get started by parboiling some russet potatoes in salted water, and this will help get rid of some of the starch as well as partially cook them. After a quick 5-minute simmer, let's drain these on paper towels. Add a little bit of oil to a preheated cast iron pan, the chopped sirloin, yellow onion, bell pepper, and saute this around for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the parboiled and drained potatoes. Now add granulated garlic, black pepper, and salt. Now give this a stir to get everything well combined. After the initial stir, let these sit for 5 minutes. Stir, let sit for 5 more minutes, and stir again. Continue doing that until all your potatoes are nice and brown and done. You have to give these potatoes time to brown. If you overstir, it's going to turn into a big gloppy mess. After a total of 15 minutes and stirring only 3 times, our steak hash is done. Serve up with a couple poached or over easy eggs, and you're done. Steak hash and eggs. Add a little bit of hot sauce, and breakfast is ready. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you give this a try, and we'll see you next time.